Welcome back to another media review. Today we're going to look at a postcard this was obtained from the ZIPPO Case Museum in Bradford, Pennsylvania. And we can see it's in the collage style with a prominent vintage metallic cased lighter with some U.S. Army Paratrooper Wings. Airborne all the way. So you can see in the text, made in Pennsylvania, paid for in Normandy, Incheon, Quezon, Kuwait City, and Baghdad. If we go around the face of the postcard itself, we can see numerous images, badges, pins, patches, memorabilia, and some other lighters as well. So I'm not going to try to describe everything because there is a lot to take in, including metal ribbons, medals themselves, achievement badges, unit pins, branch pins, see some flags, you can see some special forces stuff, insignias, some wings. We have another special forces lighter, all sorts of stuff from all sorts of time frames as well. If you look on the back, basic postcard design, spot for your postage, address for a destination. You can see here, if you turn the card, various website addresses at the time, so feel free to check them out. Lots of products on both company websites, the WR Case Company as well as ZIPPO. The ZIPPO Case Visitor Center is in Bradford, Pennsylvania, and you can get lots of items like this, as well as lighters and case products, knives, and other memorabilia as well. So I encourage you, if you're in the area, to go check them out, or at least check them out online. So just want to take a quick look again at a very interesting montage style of postcard from ZIPPO in this case. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. And we also do a series of curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.